Hi dude, subscribe to my channel please. Bro, I am also hungry bro. Full. So guys, hello and welcome to Fossil Rides. Today we are going for a ride to Nandi Hills. It's somewhere around 220 kilometers, I guess. I know it's an odd time to start a journey, but due to some problems we had to delay it. Nevertheless, it will be a fun ride. So, one more bike will be joining me, and you all must be knowing him. He is a fellow YouTuber, Kalyan Koneru. So finally, I'm here at the meeting point, and from here we'll be hitting the highway straight. No more stops in the middle. We'll be taking a stop after like 50 kilometers or so. Zero. Yes, ma'am. Marur Toll Plaza, Marur Toll Plaza. It's our first toll for the day.
So completed somewhere around 100 kilometers and we're all set to leave now.
So completed the breakfast break or tea break. We just had 2 cups of teas and it's time for us to hit back the highway. So if you take the right turn, you go to pulsar. Second toll plaza for the day. It's Bhagyapalli toll plaza. Yeah, so Karnataka. We are entering to Karnataka now. We have entered in Karnataka officially. Next we'll be taking a halt near Sjcam, which is like 50-60 kilometers from here. From there we need to take a ride, so we'll stop there first. So we have taken U-turn here. We have missed the turn over there, so we need to go back for like 1 kilometer and then from there we can take turn there. There was a better way. Oh my god, where the hell are we? Like seriously? So guys, never trust this Google aunties, dude. What the fuck? Okay. Now Google auntie want us to do some off-roading also. Finally, the good roads are here. Thanks, Google Auntie, for wasting our time. Thank you. So we'll just stop here for a small photo shoot. Oh, God. So look at the view, dude. It's amazing, right? So the ghat has not yet started. After that, you're gonna enjoy well, and I'm sure about that. So we all know that this Nandi Hills is famous for squids and couples as well. So you're gonna see many squids. I hope I don't see them. I won't see them. It's not a weekend also, so. Nandi Hills. See that? Yeah. I guess someone crashed over there. I was expecting this here. Oh no. Oh, it's pretty bad. I'm sure the camera would not be doing the justice for this, but trust me guys, I've never seen like this before. I have seen when I was a kid, but you know what I mean, right? So we'll just stop here for like 10-15 minutes and welcome to Nandi Hills. So this must be the final point. Everyone has parked their bikes here.
This is my first time coming to.
So just reached Nandi Hills, guys. You can see here we have parked our bikes there, back.
This is the advantage
I don't know where should I keep this jacket, dude. And that asshole is also vlogging over there. So here's where we have parked our bikes. We'll be going up. So these are the tickets. It cost her like per head 30 rupees.
bike plus one person, man.
Hi dude, subscribe to my channel please. Bro, I am also hungry, bro. So we are climbing like this from past 10 minutes and I'm so tired.
Okay,
So we are walking since 30 minutes, I guess, and there's nothing coming, dude.
it's all green.
Plants, couples, plants, couples, plants, couples. That's it.
Bushes
Awesome, dude. It would be awesome if I had come before the sunrise, but it's okay. So we are back to the parking lot, as you can see.
Fine, bike plus parking and రాసినాడు కదా.
So that's it. We'll be heading back to home, and our major stop will be at petrol pump, I guess. I don't think we'll be having lunch also. We are heading. It's a good ride. The ride was good, but the place is not that satisfying. So we need to be careful while going down. There will be many buses and all. Ow. I just turned off my bike. It's going on its own. I'll miss these roads, dude. I won't miss the place, but I'll miss the roads for sure. Look at this. So for the route and roads, I'll be 10 on 10, and for the place, like 5. For me, it's not. One point, be careful while you're leading the bike, because from opposite also they'll be coming in the same speed. We are lucky we didn't come here on weekends. If you're on weekends, the place will be like really busy, dude. Everywhere squids, and many riders too. I wish my house was near Nandi Hills, near to Nandi Hills. I swear I would come here every weekend, dude. Bye bye Nandi Hills. Miss you. So we are changing the route because we don't want to go back to the village and go. We don't want to do any more off-roading. I hope this road will be better than that. Still, let's see. You want to fuel up? So from here, a left, and that's it. We will be Sakta Road. So from here, only the straight route, single highway, other smooth roads are here.
So completed somewhere around 200 kilometers and just stopped here for fueling up. So far so good.
So we are here back to the Andhra Karnataka border. From here it will take like 1.5 hours, I guess. So completed somewhere around 260 kilometers and we are here at this Andhra Karnataka border. Can you see that? Andhra Karnataka border. I think it's time to call it a day. The ride was like amazing, dude. I can't forget the ride. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, then please give it a big fat thumbs up for sure. That's it. As always, ride safe. See you in the next video.
So that's it for today. If you like the video, then do like, comment and subscribe. Till then, ciao.